Okay then, the sketch. Hand it over.
Darn it. Boss man, what now?
Give it to her.
You won this one, but the ebony scissors will be back.
The ebony scissors will cut through every inch of fabric. Just you wait. We'll show you.
Nikki, thank you. You're my second best bestie after Dorsey from now on. All the Golden Daisy stylists are your friends. If you ever need anything like chimekaitas, weave spiders, or sizzblooms, you can come to us.
Oh, except for Sakos. They give me the creeps.
Oh, right. Everything but Sakos.
You're so kind. Really. I'm glad I met Timis, so I could meet you.
Miss Timis?
I'm relieved she isn't mad at us. She spent a lot of time she could have used to earn blings exchanging styling ideas with us.
Farini, let's visit her shop more often once everything's settled.
That's great. She'll be happy. Actually, I was looking for you two because of Dorsey. Nanoi is taking care of her right now. Dorsey may fall unconscious, and she keeps mentioning the Wish Envoy. Have you heard of them?
It does sound familiar.
Remember, Salai? Ever since we challenged the ebony scissors, Dorsey's been really anxious. She was visiting the wishing spot, along the river behind the Daisy Inn at midnight. It's where the statue of the Wishing One is. One morning, she said she met this Wish Envoy. He sold her something called a Quick Wish bottle. He told her it could grant wishes instantly.
But then, she fell into a coma after she used it.
A Quick Wish bottle. Promising instant wish granting. Anxious wish makers. And also a mysterious figure in the middle of the night.
Sounds like people making wishes at night are targets of some scam.
Those wish makers are definitely the victims. And Dorsey in a coma? Could it really be linked to that Wish Envoy?
If we want to get to the bottom of this, we need to track down the Wish Envoy.
Maybe we could stake out the wishing spot Dorsey visited. We might just catch him.
We can try. Dorsey said the Wish Envoy is at the wishing spot.
We'll pretend to be wish makers and lure him out.
Great idea!
You two, please be careful.
Will do. Momo, we'll head over soon. Oh yeah, we'll get Nanoi too.
Just leave it to us. We're heading back to see Dorsey anyway. Meet Nanoi at the wishing spot by the river behind the Daisy Inn.
Is this the Wishing One statue?
Was he supposed to be holding something?
Nikki, Salai told me about your plans. And I'm in.
Welcome aboard, Nanoi. We were supposed to figure this out together anyway.
Oh, no. I meant to say I can lay low nearby, then pounce. If the Wish Envoy really is behind the unexplained comas, we absolutely can't let him escape.
Agreed. We need to be extra prepared. We're counting on you, Nanoi. Momo and I will be late-night wishmakers. You can hide nearby, then ambush him.
Oh, come on, team! We need to come up with a cool code word. How about...
Barbecue's ready.
You're a genius! That's a fantastic choice! Barbecue's ready is both informative and instructive. That's it! It's the winner!
Great. Nanoi can ambush him, and we'll catch him together when I yell barbecue's ready.
Okay.
I wish... I wish for unlimited whim stars.
Nikki, come on, that's ridiculous. I know we're only acting, but it needs to be believable. We need the wish on...
I wish for...
Nikki, come... I know we're only we need the wish on...
Oh, wishing one. Hello. I'm Nikki. I wish I knew where the miracle outfit is. If I find the miracle outfit, I'll be strong enough to help Nanoi. And I can solve the mystery of the unexplained comas.
Who, me? Oh, wishing one. I'm Momo. And I have a wish as big and sincere as my love for barbecue. I've been saving up all my blink.
The wishes made by all resound in his ears. I am the Wishing One's envoy. It is my sacred duty in this life to show the world the Wishing One's divine power. All of your wishes flow to my ears, and so onto his. You all are his chosen ones. I have here a quick wish bottle blessed by his power. This relic can instantly grant any wish.
Really? You're not trying to trick us, right? Does it cost blings?
It could be priceless, but for those who lack sincerity, it is worthless. How heartfelt are your wishes? Offer as much as you can in exchange.
But how will I know if it works without testing it? I need to try it.
Right, a test. No miracle, no blings.
His miracles work in ways you could never imagine.
Oh, barbecue's ready!
You fools!
Don't move!
I can't believe he escaped. All that hard work for nothing. What just happened?
We were really close. Don't worry, we'll get him next time. Tomorrow is another day.
Nikki's right. However, something's bothering me. While he was running away, a quick wish bottle fell into the water. Then bam, an earthquake.
And then all the lights went out.
Looks like this quick wish bottle is pretty complex. It might even be destructive.
Things are starting to get dangerous. We should head to the mayor's residence and tell Mayor Grace.
Something's wrong, Ribbit.
Please calm down and stop croaking. We don't have any experience dealing with appeals from croakers. Let me check the Flora-Wish public records. Maybe there are some I can use as a reference. 987AW. No. Complaints about singing croakers? I see. I'll treat the two of you as if you were townsfolk. But before we continue, please fill me in.
The Monroevans went berserk. The facilities are flooded, Ribbit.
That's right, Ribbit. My precious spray painting time was ruined.
Is that all you care about, Ribbit?
Don't you dare look down on my graffiti, Ribbit.
So the equipment malfunctioned in the Well of Fortune, which caused a power outage here.
I saw one carrying us.
I was busy with my art. I didn't see anything, Ribbit.
The suspicious wish bottle you saw, did it happen to float down the river?
And you are? No, what are you doing here? The last wish I made was 49 days ago.
Mayor Grace, I'm not here to collect wishes. My friend Nikki is a stylist, and this is her friend Momo. We've been investigating the town's coma incidents.
That quick wish bottle he dropped. It's dangerous.
I understand now. For now, We should start by dealing with the Monroefin's violent behavior. After we've gotten that under control, we'll fix the town's electricity. What's the current status at the Well of Fortune? Is it safe for a repair crew?
I don't know, Ribbit. It's a mess down there, Ribbit.
Monroefins are bad. The humans might get hurt, Ribbit.
I have a floating outfit. I can check the well.
Nikki is an awesome stylist. Any obstacle, she can float right over it.
And I think I can also acquire a sketch for an electrician outfit. Then I'll have the ability to repair the damaged power system.
Then I'll leave it to you, Miss Nikki.
Consider it done.
On behalf of everyone in Flora-Wish, I offer our thanks.
See you at the Well of Fortune, Ribbit.
Please be careful, Nikki.
The Heart of Infinity needs just the right amount of whim stars. Then I can acquire the electrician outfit.
just like the ones we saw up on that hill. What could it be?
I have no idea. We were in such a rush to get down the hill, we didn't get a chance to look around. Why don't we head back and check it?
Surrounded by Monroe fins. It looks dangerous. What do we do, Nikki?
We've got to save it. Let's go.
Something's changed, Ribbit.
Thanks a lot, human girl. Ribbit.
No problem. I'm Nikki. I'm here to fix the power system.
Perfect. Finally, some help, Ribbit.
The main power switch is in the deepest part of the well, Ribbit. Turn it on and everything will return to normal, Ribbit. It's right up there, Ribbit.